Have you ever walked through a mall and passed by several stores without even looking, and then suddenly something catches your attention and then you find yourself walking inside? Have you ever wondered why? Because in retail, getting the customer inside the store is already part of the sale. And here's the interesting part. Sometimes it has nothing to do with the product or even the pricing. So think about it. When you're walking around the mall, you're surrounded by so many choices, so many brands, so many different stores, different promotions. So as a customer kasi, we don't consciously analyze all of them. We just naturally decide. And yun, sabihin natin, that looks interesting, or let's check that out, or nothing is really interesting in here. So that's why retailers need to understand that the customer's buying journey doesn't start when they talk to your salesperson. Usually it starts the moment they are inside the store. So what makes a customer stop? First is visibility. Do they easily see what you're offering? Is your storefront attractive? Can they understand what you sell within just a few seconds? Second is curiosity. Give them something that makes them want to know more. Maybe it's a new product, an interesting display, a demonstration, or an offer that immediately answers the question, what's in it for me? And the third is experience. So when a customer steps inside, what happens? Are they welcome? Can they easily find what they're looking for? Are your people helpful without being too aggressive? Because remember, getting someone into your store doesn't guarantee a sale. But if you can't even give them a reason to be inside your store, then you don't even get the opportunity to make that sale. So if you're a retailer, don't just ask, how can we increase sales? But start with, why should a customer choose to enter our store instead of the one beside us? Because in a crowded retail environment, you are competing not only for your customers' money, but first for their attention. And sometimes the best marketing strategy isn't really giving a bigger discount. It's simply giving people a reason to stop, a reason to enter, and a reason to stay. And that's retail marketing. So the next time you're inside a mall, observe yourself. What makes you stop? Which ones make you walk in? And more importantly, what made you choose them? Because sometimes the best retail marketing decisions are happening